What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to blur parts of your video clip in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After adding a video to your timeline, navigate over to your Effects panel. In case you are unable to find it, then navigate to Window and make sure to select Effects. In this dialog box, enter Gaussian Blur. And under Video Effects, Blur and Sharpen, you will find the Blur effect. Drag and drop the effect into your timeline onto your video clip and make sure that the clip is selected. When this is done, make sure to open up your Effect Controls panel on the left hand side, and here under Gaussian Blur, click either the circle or the square, which will allow you to create a 4-point polygon mask in your video preview window. This will create a new mask, which, when selected, you can move over the face or item you want to blur out. Drag the handles of your mask in order to fit it to your requirements. Back in your Effect Controls window, you can change the blurriness of your Gaussian blur. In case your mask's edges are a bit too sharp, then increase the mask feather as well. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.